Hey there, so what we're going to do here is we're going to thread the Singer 237. It's fairly simple, but sometimes can get confusing. So first we're going to loop it through this little loop here. And then we're going to run it down around this tensioner. And if you see, there's a little hook, little wire hook right here. We're going to make sure that that goes up so that the thread goes over this little hook. See that? So it's over the hook, then through the wire. Then we're going to go through the take up, and like so. And then there's a little loop here that the thread just slips into. Then on this one, it wants me to thread it from the outside to the inside. Just like so. The bobbin is the same as every other bobbin that looks like this. We're going to put the bobbin into the case with the threads going counterclockwise. And then you're going to slide into the notch, push over until it's in the slit. Open up this, and that stops the bobbin from being able to fall out. So hold on to that. It slips in to this machine right here over the peg, and it should go in and be solid. Shouldn't be able to turn back and forth. Okay, just like so. Then you take the top thread and you hold it while you turn the hand wheel, and it goes around and pulls off the bobbin thread, just like so. And there your machine is threaded.
If you have any other questions on the Singer, go ahead and ask them. That's what we're here for. That's what we like to work with these machines for. Please subscribe to our channel, Red Barn Homestead, for other sewing machine videos. We have a sewing machine playlist, which we have a couple of machines that we feature and do maintenance to and things like that. And yeah, leave a comment if you like it.